And in today's video, we are going to decode the MHCET law entrance exams for 12th standard students as well as the 15th standard students. Basically, the 3-year LLB course and the 5-year LLB course. Before moving ahead, let us first answer the age-old question of why law. So let me first tell you that law is not restricted to courtrooms as Bollywood has portrayed. Neither do you need to be a good liar to be a good lawyer, which the general stereotype is. Having said that, let us see what are the opportunities you get once you pursue law. You can enter the field of litigation and you can further choose your field with respect to civil law or criminal law. There are various other specializations again in furtherance of these fields. You can choose to be a taxation lawyer. You can get into the field of insolvency and bankruptcy. If you are somebody who is tech savvy, you can also enter the new field of technology law. You can pursue intellectual property rights as a career. You can also be a legal analyst or legal advisor in any of the companies. It's not restricted to law firms. Any company who is working on a large scale level, everyone has a legal team these days. You can even join these companies and be a legal advisor for them. You can also get into document drafting. You can specialize in the same. You can enter the corporate sector if you're somebody who enjoys journalism, or if you want to pursue a career in media, you can also become a legal journalist. Further, you can also be a government lawyer and represent your government. Now, Judge Advocate General is a very respectable position as you would be working with our army. Further, you can also enter the field of judicial services. And if you are somebody who likes research or who wants to pursue teaching as a career, you can also become a law professor. Now, let us see the difference between the 3-year LLB course and the 5-year LLB course. First, let us see the eligibility criteria. The 3-year LLB course is only for students who are graduates. So the eligibility criteria is graduation. And for undergraduation, you have to pursue the 5-year LLB course. Or you can do a bachelor's degree of 3 years and then do a 3-year LLB course after 12th. Further, this is a very common question which a lot of students have before pursuing law, that whether their previous degree with respect to arts, science, or commerce matters. So no, guys, it does not matter. Neither does it matter in the 3-year LLB course, nor does it matter in the 5-year LLB course. Even if you have pursued a professional degree like BMM or BMS, you are equally eligible for pursuing law. Moving ahead, let us see the total marks for the entrance exam. The MHCET for 3-year course and the MHCET for 5-year course both are 150 marks each, and you have one question for 1 mark, and you have no negative marking in both of these entrance exams. Let us see the difference in marks allocation. The 3-year course is very similar to the 5-year MHCET, however, it does not have mathematical ability as a section. However, the 5-year course covers all the aspects such as general knowledge, current affairs, logical reasoning, English, and legal aptitude. Having said that, let us see when and why to choose the 5-year LLB course. So first of all, you should have an inclination towards law. And if you're very sure that this is the field you want to pursue in future, the best time to get into it would be after 12th. And even if you're somebody who wants to pursue a different professional degree such as CA or CS, even then the 5-year course is very beneficial to you as you can pursue both the degrees simultaneously, and further it also saves 1 year. We'll get into how does it save 1 year shortly. But before that, let me tell you, if you are already a graduate, then the course you need to choose is the 3-year LLB course, as you have already invested 3 years in your bachelor's degree. The eligibility criteria for both the courses are 55%. So if you're pursuing the 3-year LLB course, you need to have 55% in your graduation degree. If you're pursuing the 5-year course, you need to have 55% in the 12th standard degree to become eligible for appearing in these entrance exams. Moving ahead, let us see how does the 5-year LLB save you 1 year. So if you can look at the diagram drawn in your screen, you can see that the 3-year LLB course is after graduation. So essentially, you have spent 3 years in graduation in a normal degree, and then you would be investing 3 more years in the LLB degree. So in a sense, you have invested 6 years in total. If you see the 5-year LLB course, it's an integrated degree of 5 years, and you get 2 bachelor's degree. Even if you're pursuing the 3-year course, you're going to have 2 bachelor's degree, as LLB is also a bachelor's degree. And if you're considering the 5-year course, you have one degree which is going to be integrated. If you look at the colleges in Maharashtra, usually it is BLS LLB. So that is how you'll save 1 year, because in essence it's going to be 12 plus 5, and the 3-year course is 12 plus 6. Now let us see the breakup of subjects in both the entrance exams. The subjects are very common, and the marks allocation is a little bit here and there with reference to English, which is 50 marks in the 3-year course and 30 marks in the 5-year course. Logical reasoning and English is 40 marks for the 5-year course, and it's 30 marks for the 3-year course. General knowledge is vice versa, and even if you see the legal aptitude and legal reasoning, it's 40 marks for the 5-year course and 30 marks for the 3-year course. The only difference in sections is the mathematical ability section, which is there in the 5-year course entrance exams, but it's not there in the 3-year LLB course. Now, this is the list which you can pursue, which you can also very easily Google the list of colleges which offer 5-year LLB course in Maharashtra. There are 100 plus colleges which you may apply to. It would depend on your own CET score and the cutoff of the colleges. So a few colleges which you can look at in your screen is the Government Law College, ILS Law College Pune, SVKM's Praveen Gandhi College of Law, Rizvi College, MKES College, etc. You can easily get this list online. Even the 3-year LLB course has 100 plus colleges which you may apply to in Maharashtra. For instance, the Government Law College, KC Law College, Jitendra Chauhan College of Law, etc. There are a lot of colleges who have specific degrees and specific colleges for the same. If we look at SVKM, they have one college specifically for the 5-year course, which is Praveen Gandhi College of Law, and for the 3-year course, they have Jitendra Chauhan College of Law. However, there are a lot of colleges who offer both the degrees together. If you look at Government Law College, it has both the 5-year course as well as the 3-year course. Even the Rizvi Law College for that matter, and even ILS Law College Pune. You can easily access this list online.